In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and edit property groups in HubSpot. If you're working with contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or even custom objects, organizing your properties into clear groups makes your CRM cleaner, easier to manage, and much more efficient for your team. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a brand new property group and how to edit, reorder, or delete existing ones the right way. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot guides just like this. Let's get started. First, let's walk through how to create a new property group in HubSpot. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top right corner and click on the settings icon. This will take you to your main account configuration area, where all back-end customization happens. In the left-hand sidebar, scroll until you find Properties and click on it. This is where HubSpot stores and manages all the properties associated with your CRM object. At the top of the screen, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose the object you want to work with. This is important because property groups are created separately for each object. You can choose from contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or any custom objects you've created. Select the object where you want the new property group to live. Once you've selected the correct object, click on the Groups tab near the top of the page. This section displays all existing property groups for that specific object. Now, in the upper right corner, click on Create Group. A panel will appear prompting you to enter a group name. Choose a clear and descriptive name that matches the type of properties you plan to store inside it. For example, you might use names like Sales Info, Marketing Preferences, Product Data, or Customer Onboarding. After entering the group name, click Create to save it. And that's it. Your new property group is now ready, and you can begin assigning properties to it to keep your CRM structured and organized. Now let's look at how to edit an existing property group. Again, start by going to Settings, then navigate to Properties in the left sidebar. Select the correct object at the top of the screen, just like we did before. Then click on the Groups tab to see the full list of property groups. Find the group you want to modify. Next to that group, you'll see an Actions drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll see several options available. If you want to rename the group, choose Edit. This allows you to update the group's name to something more accurate or more aligned with your internal processes. After making your change, save it to apply the update. If you want to change the order in which the group appears, select Reorder. HubSpot allows you to drag and drop the group higher or lower in the list. This is especially useful if you want certain property sections to appear more prominently when users are viewing records. You'll also see a delete option. Keep in mind that HubSpot will only allow you to delete a property group if there are no properties inside it. If the group still contains properties, you'll need to move them to another group first before deleting it. This prevents accidental data structure issues within your CRM. After making any changes, make sure everything is saved properly. Your updates will take effect immediately, and your property organization will reflect the changes across your account. Organizing property groups may seem like a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in keeping your HubSpot CRM clean, scalable, and easy for your team to navigate. Whether you're setting up a brand new portal or optimizing an existing one, structured property groups are a best practice you definitely want to follow. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials, CRM tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.